Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with permissions. Make sure you hold Manage Roles or Admin in the server you're fixing. Once confirmed, open Server Settings and go straight to Roles. Locate the announcement role or any role used by cross-server bots. Then, remove the ability to mention at everyone and adhere for that role, because those are the main drivers of unexpected pings. Also check active webhooks. Disable or restrict any webhook that posts imported announcements from other servers, so messages stop arriving. Next, handle bots and channels. You need to inspect each bot that posts announcements. Once done, revoke send messages or manage webhooks if the bot is not trusted, and explicitly disable mention everyone on its role. Then open the announcement channel's permissions. Override roles to block posting or mentioning for non-essential roles. If integrations exist, rotate webhook URLs or delete tokens to sever cross-server feeds. These steps stop automated cross-posts while keeping internal announcements intact. Finish by testing. Create a controlled announcement and verify no cross-server posts occur. Make sure channel overrides and role changes persist. If not, reapply them and lock role hierarchy so bots can't regain permissions. Also audit OAuth apps and remove any integration you don't recognize. If problems persist, check the audit log to see which action re-enabled posting and reissue webhook tokens or remove the offending bot. One tip: temporarily demote suspicious bots to a role with 0 permissions to trace the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.